Alright, today I have kimchi noodle soup that comes in a cup seasoned with real kimchi. Absolute goodness. Now it takes 3 minutes to microwave this. Veganation, alright, registered with the Vegan Society. So Vegan Society, if you're watching out here, shout out to you. Absolute goodness. Alright, kimchi noodle soup. This is what it's supposed to look like. Look at the kimchi. Look at the green onion. Look at the carrots. Look at the noodles. Absolute goodness. We're going to lift here like it says. But before we lift there, we're going to go ahead and look at the instructions. So you have a microwave instructions and you have the hot water instructions where you pour it on here and wait 3 minutes. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the boiling hot water method where you put it in here, wait 3 minutes instead of using the microwave where you put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and wait for it to be done. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. The hot water method. Now it says open lid halfway, add soup base, pour hot water up to the inside line, about 1 1/6 cup. Close lid for 3 minutos, stir well, and serve. Now, if you want it to be al dente, it says let it do this for 2.5 minutes, let it sit for 2.5 minutes. If you want it to be medium and not al dente, go ahead and do it for a full 3 minutes. And for soft noodles, those of you who like soft noodles, 3.5 minutes. I'll read the caution right here. Products very hot after eating. Handle with care to avoid spilling or burning yourself. Never microwave without water. Absolute goodness. So let's go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to go ahead and take the pagination. Go ahead and open this up like that. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this on top. Like that. Absolute goodness. Look at the seasonization. Smell the kimchi powder, fresh kimchi powder on top. And then I happen to have boiling hot water. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this up into the line. Go ahead and get all that seasonization mixed up. All right, so we're going to pour it up to the line. All right, we're just going to go ahead and let this sit for 2.5 to 3 minutes. I want it to be a little bit al dente. So let me go ahead and do that. Absolute goodness. All right, the Nogsham kimchi noodle soup is ready. I'm just going to go ahead and peel this back. And we're going to look at the noodles really quick so you can get a little bit of idea of what this looks like. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see the texturation. And we're going to see how this is. Now, I did it for 2.5 minutes because I wanted this to be al dente. And indeed, it did come out as al dente. Look at this. So, coming close, look at the texturation of this. Look at the green onion. Look at the kimchi. Only one thing I can say about this. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.